Turbomecanica is one of the pillars of Romania's aeronautical industry, with more than 5 decades of experience in designing and manufacturing critical components for aviation engines and complex mechanical assemblies. The company is a trusted partner in international aerospace programs and continuously invests in advanced technologies to maintain the highest standards of precision, reliability, and performance. Today, in an industry undergoing accelerated transformation, digitalization is no longer optional. It is a fundamental requirement for global competitiveness.
Unigraphics ne-a fost recomandat la începutul anilor 2000.
Unigraphics was recommended to us in the early 2000s by General Electric, which at the time was the largest company in the world and remains the leading manufacturer of aircraft engines. Initially, the software was used only for 3D model visualization.
Ulterior, cu sprijinul Digital Twin, am început să utilizăm.
Later, with the support of Digital Twin, we began leveraging the full capabilities of the platform, particularly NX CAM. I would also like to mention that in recent years, our manufacturing engineering department has gone through a generational transformation. In the past, we had separate roles, manufacturing engineers and CAM programmers. Today, our younger engineers prefer to work in an integrated digital environment within NX and generate their own CNC programs for the components for which they are responsible.
Increasing performance requirements, the growing complexity of aerospace components, and the pressure to shorten delivery lead times have accelerated the company's digital transformation journey. Turbomecanica needed a unified digital workflow, capable of connecting engineering and manufacturing within a single platform. Before integration, the use of separate tools created inefficiencies, time-consuming data conversions, increased risk of errors, and difficulties in managing complex parts. Together with Digital Twin, the company standardized manufacturing processes, configured digital libraries and post-processors, and enabled engineering teams to operate within a fully integrated Siemens NX environment.
De când folosim Siemens NX CAD.
Since implementing Siemens NX CAD CAM, we have eliminated hours of machine setup and verification. Toolpaths are significantly more efficient, and full machine simulation gives us complete confidence in the manufacturing process. The technical support provided by Digital Twin is essential for leveraging NX at an advanced level.
The integration of Siemens solutions, Solid Edge, NX CAD, and NX CAM delivered immediate and measurable benefits: reduced programming and manufacturing cycle times, elimination of errors generated by file conversions, faster response to design changes, standardization of engineering and manufacturing methodologies. CAM programming has become more efficient, while digital process simulation has significantly improved operational safety on CNC machines.
Programele CNC simulate digital.
Digitally simulated CNC programs using Siemens NX make our manufacturing processes more precise and secure. But our greatest satisfaction comes from knowing that the parts we produce at Turbomecanica are integrated into modern aircraft. That makes us truly proud.
As a direct result of the implementation, machining times for complex components decreased by 20 to 30%. Errors were significantly reduced thanks to the integrated digital workflow. Programming team productivity increased. The company can manufacture highly complex aerospace components with greater confidence. Digitalization has therefore become a real competitive advantage in the company's collaboration with international partners.
Turbomecanica successfully meets the increasingly demanding requirements of the aerospace market by adopting the most advanced digital manufacturing technologies.
The transformation continues through expanded adoption of the Siemens NX platform, integration with technical data management solutions, full digitalization of the manufacturing workflow, and the gradual adoption of artificial intelligence in manufacturing operations. The objective is clear: building a complete digital manufacturing ecosystem aligned with Industry 4.0 principles and prepared for the next generation of aerospace products. Turbomecanica thus becomes a success story in the Eastern European aerospace industry. A traditional company that understands the future belongs to manufacturers who invest strategically in digital transformation, automation, and strong technology partnerships.